Hey guys, this is Heri from Tuir. This is a language lesson of common Faroese greetings. Let's get right to it. Góðan morgun is good morning, góðan dag is good day, gott kvöld is good evening, and góðan nátt is good night. In the Faroes, we say good morning until shortly before noon, not like in Denmark where they say good morning just as they wake up, and as soon as they're out of bed, it's good day. Good evening, you say after work hours. I guess people go from good day to good evening around 6 or 7 in the evening. Good night, you say when you or the person you are talking to are actually on your way home to go to sleep. This is an excellent opportunity to show you some inflection. In Faroese, all nouns have a gender. Morgun and dagur, morning and day, are masculine. Kvöld, evening, is neuter, and not, night, is feminine. Morgun goes like morgun, morgun, modne, morguns. Notice that RGN is pronounced DN. Dagur goes like dagur, da, degi, dags, and kvöld, 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 kvölde, kvölds. Not goes like not, nottar. Góður is an adjective meaning good. When you wish someone a good something, that something is in the accusative, and góður, good, goes like this in the singular indefinite masculine. Góður, góan, góun, gos. Remember, the dative M ending is pronounced N, and in the feminine, gó, góa, góare, góar, and in the neuter, gott, gott, góun, gos. So you see, the adjective góður has to correspond to the case of the gender of the noun, and the case can change the meaning of the sentence. The reason for the accusative here is that the underlying meaning is I wish you a good day. You are the subject in nominative and day is the object in accusative. If I use the nominative góður morgun or góður dagur, this would simply be a statement that it is a good morning or a good day. Or in the nominative góð nátt, good night, but in the meaning it was a good night. With gott kvöld, you see the nominative and accusative are the same in gott and kvöld, so there would be no difference. Still, to wish a good time of day upon someone, that someone takes the nominative and the time of day takes the accusative. This is a bit formal, but not too much though. I use these forms regularly in daily speech. Let me show you some interrogative words used to ask simple questions. Hvat means what, hver, where, när, when, hví, why, hvør, who, and hvussu, how. I'm sure you noticed that HV in Faroese is pronounced KV. Back to the greetings. A more casual greeting is hey, same spelling and meaning as in English. Another one is hello with an A as opposed to the English E and with a long O in the end, pronounced O. Also same meaning as in English. I use it mostly when I pick up the phone, but some people use it like hey. Notice that since hello is a relatively recent loanword to Faroese, the double L is not pronounced DL. Hvussu eiturtu? What is your name? A common and casual conversation starter after saying hi is hvussu gongur, literally how goes, or how is it going. Farvel, farewell, vit suggest, or just suggest, see you. Vit hoirast, or simply hoirast, talk to you soon, or stay in touch, something like that. Bye, an English loanword, the meaning unchanged, as in goodbye or bye. Let me just tell you a bit more about the verb eita, to be called. Hvussu eiturtu literally means how are you called. In the singular first person, eite, as in eite Heri, I am called Heri. Tu eitur Gunnar in the second person, you are called Gunnar, and third person, the same as second person. Hann eitur Tadeusz, he is called Tadeusz. And in the past, first person, second person, and third person are all the same. Ed Heri, I was called Heri. In the plural, first, second, and third person are also all the same. In the present, vit eita Tuir, we are called Tuir, and in the past, vit ito Tuir, we were called Tuir. And just to show you the regular verb inflection diagram, eita goes like ed eita, eitur, ed, ito, ite. But be warned, most people in the Faroes speak at least some English, and they will switch to English if they hear your Faroese is not adequate. So if you want to learn Faroese in the Faroes, you should ask people not to switch to English. That's it for this time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave your questions and comments below. And please go to patreon.com/Heri Joensen and support my video creation. I want to thank those who already support me. They are, among others, Benny Olsen, Dean Belmont, Graham Peebles, Juan Gonzalez, Kevin Krenkowski, Megan Badger, Michael Lewandowski, Scott, Tiffany Lee, and Tilmo. Take care and see you next time.